Welcome to this tutorial on how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/3 by 1/7. We'll break this down into simple steps to make sure it's easy to understand. Firstly, let's look at our fractions. We have 1/3, where 1 is the numerator, the top number of the fraction, and 3 is the denominator, the bottom number. This fraction represents one part out of 3 equal parts. Now, let's consider the second fraction, 1/7. Here, 1 is also the numerator, and 7 is the denominator. This fraction signifies one part out of 7 equal parts. To multiply these fractions, we simply multiply their numerators together and then their denominators together. So, multiplying the numerators, 1 times 1 gives us 1. For the denominators, 3 times 7 gives us 21. Therefore, 1/3 multiplied by 1/7 equals 1/21. That's our final answer. It's as simple as that. Remember, 1/21 is already in its simplest form. You've now learned how to multiply two fractions together. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thanks for watching.